What'd you think about that?
Crazy, completely
Crazy. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah, you had a technical difficulty with the goggles there,
Yeah,
huh?
they felt off.
Came right off.
Yeah.
Well, was there a favorite part of the whole experience though?
Favorite part? Crazy part of jumping.
Just coming out?
That was really,
Good.
Yeah.
I told you were in good hands with Kevin. High five, hug, whatever you want to do for him. Thanks for coming to Skydive
Thanks a lot.
Arizona.
Thanks.
See you next time, all right?
Yeah, exactly.